Hey there, I'm LaShondra. If you're a woman working a full-time job, raising a family, and dreaming about starting your own business, you're in the right place. This channel, it is all about helping you build a one-person business that fits your life. A business you can run with confidence by using simple AI tools that save you time and energy. I teach you how to create digital products, automate your workload, use AI the smart way, and turn your skills into real income. No overwhelm and no confusing tech. Just simple steps you can follow at your own pace. Whether you're just getting started, returning to your goals after 50, or finally ready to create something that gives you more freedom, you are not alone. Every week, you'll get helpful videos, AI shortcuts, business ideas, and clear guidance you can use right away. My goal is to help you move from wishing you had time to realizing you can do this. So go ahead and subscribe, like this video, and download your free AI starter toolkit for solopreneurs using the link below. I'm LaShondra, and this is your space to learn, grow, and build the business you've been thinking about for years. Your one-person business starts today. Let's get into it.